In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your Facebook Marketplace account for 2025. So Facebook Marketplace basically will let you to sell items online to people near you, and you guys can just exchange information and basically earn some extra cash. So let me show you how to set it up. So first, you want to create or log into your Facebook account. Before accessing Facebook Marketplace, you need an active Facebook account. If you don't have one, create one by following this standard sign up process. I just want to let you guys know that you will have to be 18 to sell stuff. I'm currently 17. I tried setting it up and it does not work. So you do have to be 18. Then click on the small marketplace icon, a small storefront, in the bottom left menu of the Facebook homepage. On mobile, you can just open up the Facebook app, tap menu, and in the bottom right corner, then you click on Marketplace. If you don't see the Marketplace icon, it may not be available in your region or your account is too new. So basically, Facebook makes sure that none of you guys are scammers and stuff. So you just have to make sure you have a used account. So it says, in that case, just try using your Facebook actively for a few days and then try checking again. Then you want to sign up your marketplace profile. So review Facebook Marketplace's policies. Make sure you don't go against these policies or else your account will be terminated. But enable location services for accurate listings and local buying/selling. And you want to adjust your privacy settings as in who can message you. If you want only friends to message you, you can change that. But usually you want random people to buy your stuff, so you just say anyone can message you. Then you want to either start a listing or browse an item. So to sell, click create new listing. Add things like the photo of the item, title and description, price and category, delivery options, and location. So the more of these you fill out, the more of a chance Facebook will rank your stuff and the more of a chance someone will buy it. If you're just trying to buy something, you can just browse listings and message the sellers. Then you'll need to verify your identity. Maybe it does sometimes ask you to verify your identity. You can just do that by uploading an ID, driver's license, passport. And I'd also suggest enabling two-step verification since you do not want anyone to get a hold of your account. Then you can just manage your listings and messages. So check the selling tab to manage your item. You can also respond to messages. And the sooner you respond, the faster and more sales you will create. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe. But for now, goodbye.